What do we have here? Hey friends, Jennifer here with Moreau Family Farm. As you can see, we have been enticed, we'll say, to get some ducks. We were at a pet store yesterday and we were very surprised when we saw chickens and ducks and all kinds of stuff. And we found out that they were Peking ducks, so that enticed us even more to go ahead and get 2 Peking ducks because we missed our Charlie so much. If you guys remember, we had 2 Peking ducks back in Alabama, and then when we moved here, well, before we moved, Charlie's foot, well, long story short, one of them died a long time ago, and then Charlie, the one that we were really close with, who actually Lady was really close with as well, they were buddies, he ended up getting a very swollen foot. Now, when we moved, it was still swollen, and he was doing good for a little while, but as time went on, he started to get worse, and I think it was maybe 2, possibly 3 months, but I think it was just 2 months after we moved here, he ended up passing away, and we were all kind of sad about that. So since we saw some Peking ducks and it's springtime and we have the room for them and stuff like that, we figured might as well just get them while they're available. So we got 2 of them, and we're super. The kids are very excited. But we are gonna have to watch Lady. Lady has been very. She's just been acting very weird lately around any baby animal, like a chicken or duck. But she's fine with any other baby animal, like the goats. Our little Bootsy, she's fine with Bootsy. They're always in the yard together, and they don't mind each other at all. But with any kind of like fowl, poultry animals, yeah, she has a very distinct taste for them, so to speak. So we will be watching her very carefully until these babies are big enough. Now, she doesn't go after the adult chickens or the adult ducks. Not really. Not enough to like try to kill them, really. I know we always have to watch her, but around the chickens, there's no doubt in my mind she's not going to touch an adult chicken. She has been fine. With the ducks, she does really good around the adult ducks until they start like flapping their wings, or if they start mating each other, she starts going a little like cuckoo and watching over them and stuff. But she hasn't killed an adult duck that we're aware of anyways. I really don't think that she has, but the babies, we know for sure that when we had a baby duckling that had passed away or something, she dug it up and she ate it. So she definitely has a taste for duck and baby chickens as well. I don't know if she's actually killed a live baby animal yet, but I know that she's had them when they have rotted away. So it's hard to say whether she would or wouldn't, but I definitely would not put it past her, and we don't trust her. So, yeah. So this is our new addition, and they will be watched very closely, kept a very close eye on, and then they're very small right now. They're only like a week old. So they will be inside the house for a little bit, and when they're ready to go outside, they will have a space outside as well. But for now, they're hanging out with us. So you guys get to watch them grow as well on the farm, and we're super excited. I think one of the cool things is that since they do not have any parents, they're going to latch on to us, because that's what ducklings do. They will call us their parents and follow us around and do all kinds of fun stuff. The only thing is Peking ducks don't really fly. So it's not like the Muscovy ducks where they can fly to the pond and come back. We have ponds. We do have those little blue kid ponds, so if anything, they'll just hang out in the yard, and that's fine too. And one day we'll have actual ducks or geese or something that will go and hang out at our pond. That would be fun, but we're not there yet. What you doing down there?
Talking to my buddy. Como.
As you can see, we have Daisy. This is her sleeping spot. She really likes it in here, which is really nice because he likes it in here. He's sitting nice and comfortable.
I was sleeping here with a blanket.
Yeah. So Antonio and Alexia came out here probably about 30 minutes ago or so, and he said that Daisy had a lot of mucus coming from behind her, so I was like, let's go out there and just check on her. Although we've seen plenty of We've seen plenty of mucus, as you guys know from the previous videos that I've been doing lately. And typically the mucus has been, just signs leaning up to labor and delivery, but we haven't seen anything during the day. She's not doing any of the regular signs. She's not pawing at the ground. She's not resting her head on anything. She's not doing any of the normal signs of contractions or anything like that. So right now, the only thing that I really do notice is, besides the mucus, she is heavy breathing. But then again, it is, let's see, time check. It's 10:05, so I mean, it's late. She could just be trying to sleep. I'm not sure. I do see a bit of baby movement in there. I felt some moving around and stuff like that. So I don't know. Right now, she's not heavy breathing. But when she starts to pant, you can hear her. She really starts to like just really hard, heavy breathing. So I'm not quite sure. I'll show you what we're looking at as far as mucus. So as you see right there, she's got a nice little glob hanging out, and yeah, nice little nasty mucus glob. And that's what we've been looking at, like when we originally pulled her and put her in the other pasture. And that was today exactly, was 2 weeks ago. So, I mean, if she does go into labor today or tonight, that would make a whole lot of sense, because it has been exactly to the day 2 weeks since I saw that first strand of mucus. So we'll see if that's going to hold true on the mucus notations. Yeah, so we're just going to keep an eye on her, see if she does any pushing or anything.
She's got the roommate.
But like I said, we're going to keep an eye on her, see if anything happens tonight. And if something does happen, you guys will be finding out here very shortly. So let's hope we see her start pushing soon. That would be pretty cool. So, all right, we'll let you know.